Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of WillieDeans Kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing some beef cheeks. As you can see here, I have a package of beef cheeks here with me, and beef cheeks are popular in Europe. They're very popular in Australia, and I do believe quite a few people here in the States have had them as well. There are a few caveats with beef cheeks. One, it's a very tough cut of meat, so you have to braise it and then let it cook low and slow for about three and a half hours, so they'll be nice and tender. But once they're cooked well and seasoned well, they are very flavorful. People love them. I think they have become somewhat of a delicacy in some of the other countries, maybe not here in the United States. So what we're going to need to complete this beef cheeks is we're going to take these out of the package, we're going to trim them up, and then we're going to braise them in some hot oil, and then we're going to add our aromatics to that braising mixture. So we got some carrots, celery, onions, garlic, we have rosemary, thyme, oregano, and I got a few sprigs of mint in there as well. We're going to also deglaze our pot with some red wine. We have some red wine here. We have some tomato paste we're going to add to that. And then to get our stock started, we got some beef stock that I made here, some homemade beef stock. So I'm going to get everything prepared for you, and we're going to start our first step of braising off these beef cheeks. Okay, everybody, we have our beef cheeks cleaned and trimmed. So we have the beef cheek meat here. We have our pot here with some hot oil. So what we're going to do now is we're going to sear off the beef cheeks and get them brown, and then we'll get them ready for the braising pot. So we're going to add this in here. So beef cheeks are known to be a little fatty, so you do want to trim them before you start cooking them to trim off some of that excess fat. So we're going to braise these on this heat for about 2 minutes on each side, and then we'll get the rest of the ingredients in the pot. Okay, everybody, our beef cheeks have been in the oven for 2.5 hours, maybe 2 hours, 40 minutes. I checked them about 30 minutes ago and they were soft, and the meat, you can see I could actually squeeze it here. So the meat is nice and tender. It's been braising. So what we're going to do next is we have to remove our beef cheeks from the braising liquid, strain this liquid, and then we're going to make a sauce to go with our dish. So we're going to remove the beef next, and then we'll start on our sauce. Okay, here we go. I strained the sauce, and this is what we were left with. So this is the braising liquid that I strained. So from here, we're gonna make us a sauce. Okay, we're gonna pour this liquid into the pan to get the sauce going. So we did end up with a lot of braising stock here. So we're gonna reduce it some, and then we're gonna season it up. Here's where you season and taste. Make sure you get your sauce just perfect, and then we'll add the beef back, and then we'll serve this up. Okay, everybody, our beef cheeks are done. They're nice and tender. We have a very lovely sauce that we created here to go on with the beef cheeks. We have some Carolina Gold white rice, and we have some green beans and carrots. Now, what I want you to see is this beef as you cut into it, how tender it has become. It was a very tough piece of meat, but it is so tender and juicy now. You would love this. Okay, so we're just going to give these beef cheeks a taste here. We got this sauce in here. We're going to get some of that sauce here on the beef cheeks. Looks good, tasty. It just melts in your mouth. You can literally cut this meat with this fork. And we got this lovely sauce that's gonna go great with this white rice. And we got a side of green beans and carrots. So grab your favorite drink and dinner is served. I want to thank you for viewing and have a good day.